Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're starting a complete series on mastering DataGridView in VB.NET. If you want to build professional desktop applications like employee management systems, stock management, or attendance tracking, then this series is made for you. So, what exactly is a DataGridView? Simply put, DataGridView is a powerful table control in VB.NET that allows you to display, edit, sort, and manage data in rows and columns, just like Excel, but inside your application. Almost every serious business application uses it. Let me show you some real examples where DataGridView is used. Employee list. Here, we can display employee IDs, names, departments, and positions. Invoice list. A DataGridView can show invoices, dates, clients, totals, and payment status. Attendance and time tracking. You can display check-in times, check-out times, absences, and working hours, all in one clear table. These are not advanced projects, this is daily real-world usage. Why you should learn DataGridView. If you know how to use DataGridView correctly, you can build clean and professional interfaces, handle large amounts of data easily, add features like search, filters, totals, and exports. And the good news, you don't need to be an expert to start. In this series, step by step, we will learn how DataGridView works, how to load data into it, how to format it properly, how to search, filter, and calculate data, and how to use it in real projects, all explained simply, without unnecessary complexity. So if you're learning VB.NET or you want to improve your desktop applications, subscribe, like the video, and let's master DataGridView together. See you in the next video.